Hey guys, how's it going? How to create a models of yourself or others using Roblox Studio. Launch the application and click create or open a place, and then make sure the Explorer, right, and properties panel or panels are open. You can enable them from the view tab. Go to the home tab and select model and click part to create basic shapes or use characters. All right, and you're gonna find them in the three bars right here, and basically you can use if you want, models of other players or characters. Check the toolbox, enable it from the view tab, search for the user generated models, use the scale, move and rotate tools to adjust your model's size and position. Select all parts of your model, right click and then choose group to combine them into a single model. Right click on the model in the Explorer and select save to Roblox and to save it to your inventory. That's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.